Today we're here at Ion Orchard for the highly anticipated Asia Pacific first in Singapore Tesla Model Y launch. Here's 3 things you want to know about the all-new Tesla Model Y. Are you ready? Let's go check it out. First up, exterior. The overall profile of the Model Y hasn't changed, but it is definitely less curvy and bolder in my opinion. Dimensionally, the all-new Model Y is about 4 cm longer than its predecessor, but its width and height remain unchanged. At the front, 2 noticeable features are the LED front light bar, which Tesla calls it the cross-car light bar, and the front bumper camera. Unlike a continuous light bar, the front lights are divided into 3 sections, separating the light bar from the headlights. This design likely makes replacements easier and more cost-efficient. Another notable addition is the debut of the front bumper camera, which was not present in the previous Model 3 or Model Y versions. This camera enhances the 360-degree visibility around the car and contributes to improved functionality for autopilot and smart summon capabilities. The frunk now comes with a drain hole to empty liquids. So imagine turning your frunk into a cooler box and efficiently draining away the melted ice or cleaning away spillages if you happen to tapao some soupy food. At the rear, the all-new rear light bar and tailgate are inspired by the Cybercab and Cybertruck. It stretches across the boot lid and has the Tesla word spelled out, taking away the 3-dimensional logo but adding a hint of subtleness in the branding. Next, the interior. Tesla has also brought back the indicator stock rather than just relying on the touch controls on the steering wheel, which apparently was due to the valuable feedback received from customers. Signature features in the Model 3, such as the ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, and second-row display for the passengers, are now also available on the new Model Y. As mentioned, the car is now longer, which has gone into the rear cabin, providing more legroom for its rear passengers. The rear seats have also been improved for greater comfort. Cushions have apparently been extended by 1.5 cm, and headrests are now widened by 1.7 cm. With the second row folded flat at the mere touch of a button, it now gives an estimated total of 2,130 litres of storage. Lastly, price and availability. It comes in 2 variants, the rear-wheel drive and the long-range all-wheel drive, which delivers a range of 466 kilometers and 551 kilometers respectively. Prices start at $106,502 for the rear-wheel drive and $130,626 for the all-wheel drive, excluding COE. Deliveries are expected to begin late April, but that's probably only if you had placed your order, since booking had already begun on 10 January. So what's my first impression of the Tesla Model Y? It has certainly undergone major changes compared to its predecessor. Now, as an SUV lover, Tesla has probably gotten my deposit for the car, but does it drive well? Does it handle well? And is it as quiet as it claims? Stay tuned with MrChia as we dive deeper when we take it out for a test drive. In the meantime, if you have any further questions, do WhatsApp us at the number below and subscribe to our channel for more updates.